What is going on YouTube? If you've watched to the end of this video, just wanted to say a quick thank you. I really appreciate the support and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. There's been a lot of these POV street photography videos out there, but I thought I tried to make my own twist on it and I hope you liked it. All of these pictures were taken on Ilford HP5 here in London back in February 2022. I'm hoping to make more of these videos in the future, so if you enjoyed this one, please let me know what you think down below. If there's any other ideas, also I'd love to hear about those too. Until then, I hope everyone stays safe and see you all next time.